Hello friends, today we are deals with coagulants and anticoagulants presented by myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gauri, lecturer in KKV Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori. Learning outcome: after watching this video, student will able to name coagulants and anticoagulant drug according to IUPAC system. To understand the mechanism of action of coagulant and anticoagulant drug, to classify coagulant and anticoagulant drug in different ways, and to recognize the coagulant and anticoagulant drug according to their structure, physical property, storage and stability condition, uses and official preparations. Process of blood coagulation. Blood clotting is a very important process. It depends on existence of a complex system of reaction involving thrombin and several clotting factors present in plasma and calcium ion. Blood clotting involves three important stages. First, thromboplastin formation, conversion of prothrombin to thrombin, and conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin. From platelet, prothromboplastin in presence of calcium ion get converted into thromboplastin. This thromboplastin converts prothrombin to thrombin, and this thrombin converts fibrinogen to fibrin. Then fibrin convert into fibrin polymers, and then clot formation occurs. In clot, red blood cell, white blood cell and platelets get clotted. Process of blood coagulation can be described as follows. Whenever there is an injury to blood vessel, there is formation of rough surface. When blood platelet come in contact with such a rough surface, they are injured. Due to injury, they release surface called thromboplastin. In presence of thromboplastin and calcium ion in blood plasma, prothrombin is converted into thrombin, which helps in conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin. This fibrin is insoluble and forms threads. The threads of fibrin forms a net. In the whole of the net, blood cells are entangled, and this mass then contract to form a blood clot. Coagulants. Coagulants are the agent which brings about coagulation of blood. They are employed in the treatment of hemorrhagic and threatened hemorrhagic condition. Such a hemorrhagic condition are caused by many factors such as platelet defect, plasma coagulation disorder, excessive usage of anticoagulant therapy. For example, thrombin and menadione. Thrombin, dried thrombin. It is a sterile protein substance prepared from human plasma and is freeze-dried. Physical property: it is cream colored powder, soluble in saline solution, giving colored pale yellow solutions, and it is thrombolabile. Stability: it is affected by air, heat and light. Storage condition: it is stored in atmosphere of nitrogen in glass container which are sealed so as to exude microorganism and moisture. The container are kept at a temperature between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and are protected from light. It may contain suitable bactericidal. Uses: it is used as coagulant topically to control minor oozing, that is bleeding due to superficial cut and injury. Orally to prevent gastrointestinal bleeding. In combination with matrix like fibrin foam and gelatin spoon, it is used to treat or prevent more extensive or inaccessible hemorrhage. Next drug is menadione. This is the structure of menadione. It contains methyl group and naphthaquinoline ring. Chemical name is 2-methyl-1,4-naphthoquinone. Physical property: it is white crystalline powder, odorless and has slightly odor of acetic acid. It has bitter taste. It is very soluble in water and cold alcohol and soluble in acetic acid. Stability and storage. It is oxidized by air and light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light-resistant container. Uses. First use, it is a coagulant. Then it is used in the treatment of hemorrhage, to treat vitamin K deficiency, to treat hypoprothrombinemia, and it is also used as radiosensitizer in cancer. Pharmaceutical preparation. It is available in Minadione tablet, Minadione injection, and brand name are Amicine and Pernivent. Anticoagulants. The drugs which are able to prolong coagulation time of blood are called anticoagulants. They are used prophylactically and therapeutically in the treatment of thromboembolic occlusive vascular disease like venom, thrombosis, pulmonary embolism, and cardiac infarction. They are also used as to prevent thrombosis during and after surgical operation, during blood transfusion process, and in preservation and storage of blood in blood bank. First drug from anticoagulant is heparin. Source: lungs of ox and intestinal mucosa of ox, pig, and sheep. Chemistry: heparin is a heterogenic mixture of sulfonated mucopolysaccharide made from a repeating unit of D-glucosamine, D-glucosuronic, and L-iduronic acid. Commercial heparin is essentially a mixture of number of compounds with various chain length and of molecular masses between 5,000 to 30,000. Physical property: it is official as heparin sodium and heparin calcium. It is white or creamy white powder. It is hygroscopic in nature and it is freely soluble in water. Stability and storage condition. The aqueous solution is stable for at least 7 years at a pH 7 to 8. It is stored in sealed, sterile container so as to exude microorganisms and moisture. Uses: for prophylaxis and the treatment of deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism. Second use, for the prevention of thrombosis during hemodialysis, that is coagulation during dialysis, during open heart surgery and vascular surgery, and during blood transfusion. Pharmaceutical preparation: it is available in heparin injection. Brand names are Viparin, Thrombophobia gel, and Practocidin. Warfarin: it is a coumarin, that is 2H-benzopyran 2-one derivative. Physical property: it is white crystalline powder, odorless and slightly bitter taste. It is very soluble in water but very slightly soluble in chloroform. Stability and storage: it is discolored by light and air, hence it is stored in tightly closed light-resistant container. Uses: it is an anticoagulant, blood thinner. It reduces the formation of blood clot. It is used to treat and prevent blood clot in vein and arteries, which can reduce the risk of stroke, heart attack, and other serious conditions. And as a rodenticide to prevent myocardial infarction. Pharmaceutical preparation: it is available in warfarin injection and warfarin tablet. Brand names are Sofarin. Next drug from anticoagulants are dicoumarone, that is bis-hydroxycoumarine. It is a coumarin derivative. Physical property: it is white to creamy white crystalline powder. It is faint. It has faint, pleasant odor and slight bitter taste. It is practically insoluble in water but slightly soluble in chloroform and readily soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxide. Then storage and stability: it is discolored by light and air, hence it is stored in tightly closed light-resistant container. Uses: it is an anticoagulant, blood thinner. It reduces the formation of blood clot. It is used to treat and prevent blood clot in vein and arteries, which can be reduces the risk of stroke, heart attack, and other serious condition, and to prevent myocardial infarction. Pharmaceutical preparation, it is available in dicameral injection, dicameral tablet. Brand names are dicameral. Thank you so much for watching this video.